Okay, so we are going to be going through my third grade geometry Webquest. This is the introduction page, which explains characteristics of each of these three-dimensional shapes, and these are the ones that will be in the lesson. There are no more than these. These are the most basic. So we have a cube, a prism, a sphere, a pyramid, a cylinder, and a cone. I have pictures of each, and then I explain a little bit about the shape so it's easier for them to identify when we move on to the task page. This page basically explains what we will be doing in the Webquest, what exactly the activities entail. The first activity we have is to match a shape to its real life look-alike. So my example that I gave was comparing a cone with an ice cream cone. And this activity helps children to see that even though these shapes may seem confusing and they may not understand them right away, they see them in everyday life a lot more than they think that they do. So after they do that, I explain that they could put aside their pencil and paper and then click on the geometry game and play that. So this is that first activity where they'll match each shape to its real life counterpart, and they'll do that on a piece of paper. And also on the paper, after they're done matching the shapes, write a characteristic about the shape, a fact, or another real life comparison that it has that I didn't previously mention. And afterwards, they go to play this geometry game. Click on the 3D shapes level, and then click on whichever mode and speed they'd like to choose. And basically it gives you a shape, and then you find the shape. You get points for not finding it, or points for finding it, and you get points subtracted if you fail. So this helps them to quickly identify the shapes and kind of solidify that information in their mind. And then they move on to the evaluation page, which explains what my goals were for the Webquest, and if my goals did not succeed, that they could come ask me questions if they don't understand. And then my conclusion has all of my citations, and that's it. That's my third grade geometry Webquest.